I bought so much stuff and it makes me happy. Although no one commented on my hair, it's a bit fluffy today. Hello and welcome to another video by your gal ZomBean. I went out and bought some things. Most of it I don't need. Some of it I did need, so I'm quite proud of myself in that. There was a couple of things that I was running out of, decided to either A, replace, or B, buy a better version of. Ultimately, it's mostly makeup based. I can't help myself. It seems to be that my money goes primarily towards this source. I'm running out of clothes, I need more clothes. Do I buy more clothes? No, I buy makeup for whatever reason, even though I don't wear it every day. It makes no sense. So the first thing that I bought to replace my primer that has now run out, I got this bad boy. I've been waiting for this to come into stock for I've been waiting for this to come into stock for quite a while now. I remember seeing it a while ago from one of Jeffree Star's videos. So I'm very happy that it's finally come back in stock and that I can now use it on a face. And I'm also kind of happy that my last primer has run out because that gave me justification for buying a new one. I'm gonna try this on now. I'm gonna rip it out of its packaging. So this is perfect as well because I'm about to do a trip away and I'm only taking hand luggage, and I don't think this counts as a liquid, which is perfect because as any of you who have traveled with just hand luggage before, you have to make some pretty big decisions regarding what you actually need and what you can take. So this is perfect for that. It comes like this. Yeah, it does look pretty cool. Oh, it's softer than I thought it was going to be. So you don't need to use your nail, which I was surprised by. And then just rub it in. Okay. Alright, it does feel nice. Doesn't feel heavy either. I got distracted by a seagull. So the next thing I got is a product that I've already used. I know that I like it, so I'm just gonna apply that to my face. And it comes out. Okay. Done. I also applied some concealer to my eyes so then it didn't look so dead. The next thing that I bought was something that I kind of needed, kind of didn't. I was running a little bit low, but ultimately probably could have lasted for a little bit longer, but hey ho. And that is the Prime and Stay Finishing Powder. I have yet to try this before. I'm hoping that it's good. I like the packaging. It's small, it's cute, it's yeah. I'll take my still kind of dirty brush and just floof it on here. I mean, ultimately, with powder, it's hard to really say whether it's good or not. The only time that can determine whether it is good is if it does its job and in a couple of hours I've still got foundation on my face and it hasn't moved. So, yeah. Seems decent. Okay, the next thing that I've got here is some bronzer. It is just labelled as bronzer. I don't really know what else I was expecting. I was expecting it to have a name, like Bronzed Goddess or some shit, I don't know. So minus points already because I can't get it out of the packaging. Got my brush. Okay, the next product that I got two of. I don't think I did this on purpose. I think I accidentally thought I want blush and then had some weird brain moment and then got two blush. I don't know what happened. So I got the primer infused blush called Always Rosy. So here it is, and it's got a very nice color to it. I'm gonna take my brush. Oh, okay, so a lot of product seems to come off when you floof it. Okay, and the other blush it's just called Blushing Rose. Slightly different packaging than the others. So it looks like this. Very cute, very cute. And it's got a tiny little mirror in it, and you can now see the camera. And oh, this one's less matte. It's got more of a shimmer to it. I'm just gonna apply this on top of the last one because why the fuck not? Oh, I think that was a mistake. That is very pigmented. I did it wrong. I put too much on. It was a mistake doing two blushes. So the next thing that I got was lip stuff, and I got three products. First one being a moisturizing red lip color. And I'm just gonna swatch it on my wrist, I think. Ooh, nice. So the color is nice. So it's kind of just like a muted red tone, not too bright. It's a good classy color. Something that's less of a muted color is this one. It's a lip gloss and I picked it in Amethyst because I've never had a purple lip gloss before. So I was excited when I saw this. It's pretty cool. Ooh, pretty. I don't know why I did it on my wrist in such a weird way. Got like a nice pink shimmer to it. The next one that I got is interesting because I actually got 2 of these. For some reason, Elf decided that I had to have 2. I didn't order 2, I just got 2. It is a pretty colour. It's more like a copper brown colour. Camera to focus. It's nice. It's nice. I think I prefer the purple to that one, but I don't dislike it. It's alright. So I think out of the 3, I prefer the lipstick the most. I think it's a very pretty colour. So I'm gonna put that on right now. See? So the next thing I got is the only makeup product that I got that isn't Elf at all, and that is lashes. I got some Eyelure lashes. Eyelure lashes. I got them in 2 different types. I don't know which one I'm gonna try. I might try these ones. So off the bat, they're looking great, and it comes with a little glue, which I'm happy about. Ooh, it's nice glue as well. And they're on. The next thing I was up to was not makeup at all. So I got 2 non-makeup related items from one of my favorite clothing companies, which is H&M, and I'm very excited. The first thing I got was, ta-da! I've been searching for some boots for about a month now because the 2 boots that I've already got are getting a little bit worn down, plus the heel on them is pretty high, so I wanted something that was considerably lower, if not no heel at all. Couldn't find no heel at all on any boots that I liked, so I ended up making do with these. I don't think that that's too high, so I'm quite happy with those. So the next item I got was a new handbag. I wanted a handbag that was not too big, not too small, perfect when I'm going on my travels, and I could just slip this under the seat, but also when I get to my destination have something nice and stylish to match on my outfit. It's got 2 sides to it. It's got a nice leather side, and then the opposite side it's got a suede side. It's also got some zips here and here to make it bigger or smaller depending on how much junk you've got in it. But my favourite part about it is that you can still just dump stuff in there, and it's got a nice little button. It's also got a little pocket in the inside for any little bits and pieces like phone, purse, whatever's. And that's it. That's everything that I got for my birthday. Some of it I needed, some of it I didn't. Overall, I'm pretty happy with all of my purchases. And that's it.